Are you following Daddy? Are you following Daddy?
Yes.
Hey, what's that? Hey, what's that? You're funny. Is that fun?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Oh boy.
Yes.
Okay, yes. You guys ready to have some lunch?
No.
No? Okay. I knew that was the answer. That's a nice little dance. What's he doing? Whoa. Converging targets. Oh. Easy there, buddy. Oh, we've got our rocket. Are we rocketing? Oh. Where's your rocket? Oh, easy on Daddy. You gotta hurt Daddy. So we're playing. We're trying to figure out what we're having for lunch. Boo! Dude! Ooh, you hurt Daddy.
Happy Daddy.
Oh, you hurt Daddy. Daddy's okay. Daddy's okay. Are you helping Daddy up? Help Daddy up. Daddy needs help up. Can you help Daddy? Help Daddy get up. Up. Nobody's gonna help Daddy? Okay. Daddy will get up by himself. Okay. Are we on the train?
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Do we have the blocks all over the floor? Are we going to help Daddy clean those up? Let's let the dogs in. Dogs are outside. Doggies, what are you doing? Rudy, are you done? Very nice. Very nice. You guys want a treat? You want a treat? Sit. Sit. Good doggy. Alright, sit right there. And give me your treat. What do you like that? Sausages? That's too big. Okay, let's put it in half here. One for you. Sit. Wah! Go get it! Yay!